Hello friends! Nutrition as a snacks become more and more popular these days. Demand for these products is growing every year. Today we will show you how to produce snacks bars with our forming machine for cereal mass MMC 200. We will use chocolate corn drops, puffed corn and crushed hazelnuts. Forming machine for cereal mass MMC 200 have working weight 200 mm and capacity of this machine is up to 5400 bars per hour. Let's do it. At first, we will need to mix all our ingredients with syrup. Let's start mixing. Second step, we need to download this mass to hopper of our forming machine. We need to press Start button. The confectionery line for the production of cereal bars can be composed of a mixer for mixing the masses, a forming machine, cooling tunnel, and rolling and packing machine. All equipment is present on our website. Also, on one machine it's possible to use various formats. As a result, you can see this rectangular bar. It's very easy to get it at our forming machine. Increase your profit with Switch technologies.